Hello, everybody. I'm Kate, and I'm going to talk to you today about some of Usborne Books and More's best science books, or at least the ones I chose that I really like. We have some fabulous science books, and so it was very hard to choose. Here, I'm going to start with See Inside Your Body. We also have the Big Book of the Body that is good for ages 3 and up. This one is good for ages 7 and up, and it is a lift the flap book. Still has the thicker pages, the board pages, and here we go. Bite-sized chunks of information and the pictures. So this is a great introduction to seeing what's inside your body after the Big Book of the Body for your ages 3 and up. Here we have for ages 8 and up, the Complete Book of the Human Body. This is a flex binding book, and it has illustrations and photography that just draw the reader in for more information on the human body. It is internet linked, so you can go to usborne.com quick link site to get even more information and activities. And again, I do believe this is more for your more mature learner, so ages 8 and up on the Complete Book of the Human Body. This is one of our newer titles. This is 100 Things to Know About the Human Body. This is just a neat book to have around the home with all kinds of different facts and different things to know about the human body. I think it's good for all ages here. Here we have The Bug Hotel. This is one of our newer titles as well. This is a great book. I just had a preschool book fair, and they thought it was so cool to just go through and lift the flaps and learn even more about bugs, where they live and what they eat. And I think they had just done a study on bugs, so this was a really big thing at the time. Here we have The Living World Encyclopedia. This is a great book to have for ages 8 and up. This talks about all the different environments, where the animals live, how they find food. So this is just a great book, the Usborne Living World Encyclopedia. Just a great reference book to have in the home. Here we have Mysteries and Marvels of Science. We also have Mysteries and Marvels of Nature. This has beautiful photography, beautiful pictures, even more text, more information, just lots to learn, just draws the reader in, makes science fun, and lots to learn about in science. So Mysteries and Marvels of Science, great book to have. Here we have Electricity and Magnetism. This is great for your older learners. This is good for ages 12 and up. I know that like around the 4th grade and all, they're starting to do maybe some more hands-on activities. And sometimes these are more difficult concepts to grasp and to understand. So this is just a great book to have in the home, especially when they're starting to learn some about electricity and magnetism and maybe doing some more hands-on projects and all. This is also a great hands-on book to have in the home, The World of the Microscope, a practical introduction with projects and activities. This is great to see about what maybe they might be seeing underneath the microscope, as well as some activities and projects that they can do with the microscope. This is also good for your older learners, ages 10 and up. This is a great resource to have. This is for ages 6 and up. Lift the Flat Periodic Table. How awesome is that? Here they can get some background knowledge on the periodic table and the elements, so that they can, maybe chemistry will not be so intimidating when they have to start taking it in their older grades, maybe in high school and all. So this is an awesome resource to have to give some background knowledge on a subject that could be difficult to quite a few of us. I know it was kind of intimidating to me. So here is the Illustrated Dictionary of Chemistry. This is good for ages 12 and up, and I'm sure some of us adults could benefit from it as well. So hopefully, after having learned a little bit from the lift the flat periodic table, maybe this won't be so intimidating and difficult to grasp. I know that in elementary school, your science projects and science activities are a big thing, so we have some great resources for science. Here we have 50 science things to make and do. This has thicker pages as well. This is good for ages 6 and up, with different science activities to do. And we have several other resources in the Usborne collection of other science activities. Here we have Science with Air. We also have Science in the Kitchen, Science with Water, This is just a small little activity book that is another great book, to have in the home with some different activities that maybe science with air, understanding that concept. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.